Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. US100 trading at 15,687.90 levels, and the good support levels for US100 right now lies at around 15,610 and 15,500 levels. Subsequently achieving this, see, remember 15,500 is a very good support level for US100, breaking which we might see significant drop in US100. This time it may break 15,000, sub 15,000 levels also. But whether this is going to happen, when this is going to happen, we are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Also for US30 right now trading at around 36,500 levels, 36,300, very good support, very strong support for US30. If see, yesterday I did tell you that 36,630 is the nearest support right now available. Breaking 36,30, 630, I'll be bearish, and right now I am in bearish tone because 36,630 was the support level. It did break this with a strong force, went close to the next support at 36,300. Now this is taken where it is going to strike. We are going to look with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. Also, you must have watched the today's futures forecast, which is exactly updated 12 hours back, and market still now acted in the same fashion as I said, that this zone at 15,700 may provide good support for US100, and 36,300 may provide a good support for US30, both trading exactly. And in fact, gold and silver exactly as predicted, that below 2260 silver might drop. That is what we have seen. We have seen silver dropping towards 2200 levels, and gold in fact got the good support at 1791, exactly as shared in the morning podcast. Don't forget to watch the morning video also. That will definitely help you understand the markets movement throughout this day, whether it is US, Europe or Indian market. Now let's start with US100. US100 right now at around 15,700. Let me turn off the indicators and let's try to see. This is third consecutive red candle on the daily charts. We can see lower highs, and after that it is just like a spiral fall. Now for the day, in fact, if it reverses beyond 15,820, that is the level which I will be looking forward to. If it crosses 15,820, then I will be looking forward to 15,900, and then somewhere into this zone between 16,000 to 16,050 levels. But it has to cross 15,820 levels, else it is trying to look at 15,500. So once it breaks 15,620, definitely 15,500 it might try to achieve. That is what it appears from this chart. Also, let's look at closely. I did tell you in the yesterday's chart that, see, after this retracement it is trying to form a top, kind of double top out there. Now it might try to get a support at 15,500, which is like a triple bottom out there, and probably a little reversal retracement again from there we can see. So probably it might try to act sideways for near future. But if it breaks 15,500, that is the level I'll be looking forward to. If it breaks 15,500, we may see a significant fall on US100. But this is on the daily charts, and whether that will happen today or not, let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see, it is trying to form, it is trying to provide another red candle, and this time it is going to be another big candle which might take it towards 15,500. So hence now I'll be looking forward to, in fact, this zone at 15,750 itself is a good buy. If it breaks 15,750, you can go long for 15,820, and then it will reverse towards upside towards 15,900 and 15,970 plus levels at the same time. So right now we have got our levels. If it breaks, see, what the high which it can achieve here is this levels. So rather I'll say 15,780 levels. 15,780 it might achieve high. At the same time, probably the low is quite open, the ground is quite open, and it may cover a significant ground towards 15,620 and 15,500 levels. But yes, if it breaks 15780, you can go long there at for 15820. That is the level we are looking forward to. If that is taken, then definitely it might rise significantly towards 5900 and 65970 plus plus. But markets are bearish right now. And look at this 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, it is trying to break this triangle, and once this triangle is taken, probably from 15670 levels, you can definitely take a shot, and you can expect it to break significantly towards 15620, the nearest target, and then it might can, or it can drop further towards 15500 level. So nearest entry point right now is at 15670 levels for 15620 as the target, and below levels also. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, minor drop, minor retracement, then drop, minor retracement, and now trying to form a good drop. So as I said, 15780, if it crosses 15780 zone, definitely you can take a long there 15820, and then beyond that it might reverse strongly. But right now it appears that it is going to give you a stronger break further towards 15620 and below levels. Now let's have a look at the indicators out there. Indicators on the daily charts, first have a look at it. Trading below 100 moving average, that is what we are looking forward to. This is what we are seeing. See this golden line and the red line. The golden line at around 15820, trying to give it a little resistance, that is the exponential moving average 100 period, and the red line at around close to 15780, that is the simple moving average 100. Now these two lines are trying to provide a stronger resistance for any upside move, and if it surpasses these two lines towards 15820 plus plus levels, then you can expect that this zone between 16050 16100 may provide a very strong resistance for any downside move then onwards, or upside move then onwards. But yes, on the downside 15500 and 15620 should provide a very strong support on the downside. DPO is again enter into a sell mode, and you look at the stochastic right now again are divergent, and see, this was the time it has taken a reversal yesterday, and now it is trading with a in a oversold position, and hence a bounce back has to be there. A retracement towards upside towards 16,000 16,200 can be expected in the coming days. But before that, how far it could drop, whether 15,500 will be taken, or it can go below that or not, we have to see in the next sessions today and tomorrow. But right now it is oversold and can see, it can sustain oversold levels for a little long. But look at this, the MACD lines as the crossover. Yesterday I told you that this crossover has happened, and that is what we have to be watchful of. And this crossover, after this crossover, now they are divergent and diverging strongly, and hence probably right now the markets may for it shows that there is a bearishness in market after this, and may continue to remain so. However, a little retracement on the upside can be expected. Now this is on the daily charts. Have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, you will find that the next support at around 15950 levels, and on the that is the resistance at around 15950, and the downside it will get a support at around 15600. So 156, after that it will definitely 15500 and 400 levels can be seen today itself, or maybe tomorrow if it continues to slide. And right now let's see the stochastic. I think it should continue in oversold. It is right now oversold, not trying to reverse. But yes, any break beyond 15760 15780 levels today should be a good level to go long for 15820. Then 15880 15900 950 levels can also be seen if it goes below. See, right now the indicators are on a oversold levels. That is why but on the hourly charts you will see it is comfortable, neither oversold nor overbought. And on the 2-hour charts it is again crossing over on the downside, and hence a drop can be expected. And considering all this, let's look at the levels to watch out for. So right now if you see it breaking below 15665, here you can take a short for 15620, 15,595, 15,550, and then 15,500. Now you can take a position accordingly. Below that it will directly land to 15,400. Very stronger support for US100 lies there at 15,500 and then towards 15,400 levels. On the upside, the only long I will recommend you to take at 15,780 levels. Now see, volatility has increased and hence you should not mind this 125 points. It can swing anyways between these points also possibly, but yes, may see a drop before rising. And 15,780, if it crosses, you can take a long for 15,820, 15,880, 15,910, 15,970 can be seen. Beyond that, sky is the limit. It can go towards 16,050 levels. So take your positions accordingly, friends. And now let's move towards US30. And see, if you also want to gain the same expertise, if you want to also protect your capital, preserve your capital, and trade profitably, you can join my mentorship session. The 7th batch is starting on 10th of January. Today is the last day for joining, and you can reach out to me for any of your queries. It is a 15-day session, 1.5 hours a day, 90 minutes a day, and videos and doubt clarification sessions will be provided separately, and a 3 month support, extended support for all your trading decisions will be there. Will be there for all your trading decisions even after the course. So you can reach out to me for any trading or training related queries. My email IDs and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the description. Now let's have a look at US30. US30 on a 2-hour charts, it appears, see, it has seen a low, it has got its support at 36,300 levels to 80 levels. Now probably trying to rise from here. Now it might, if it breaks this zone at 36,550 levels, probably it might in fact go towards 36,600 plus levels, and then towards once again towards 36,700 can be seen if it breaks this zone at 36,550. On the downside, once it breaks 36,430 levels, probably we might see it breaking strongly and may see a good red candle on the downside, taking it below 36,200 levels towards 36,000, and below 36,000 also can be seen. Now this is on the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, strong red candle, support at 36,280, retracement. And if you see right now with the support at around 36,450 levels, 460 levels, it is looking forward to cross 36,600 once again, may strike 36,600, and breaking 36,600 can hit 36,700 and below beyond levels. But yes, on the downside, if it breaks 36,440, it may break significantly towards 36,200 and in fact can go well below that also. This is on the 3-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, this is second consecutive candle with the support here. Now trying to trade in this zone, and hence a high at around 36,600, the support at around 36,440, breaking 36,440, you can take a short for 36,350 and then towards 36,300, and in fact 36,200 and below levels. After that it will break significantly towards 36,200 and in fact can go well below that towards 36,100 and 36,000 levels also. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, it is seen a low there, probably aligned together, and that is why 36,300 close to 36,300, 280 and 250 levels may get a stronger support. Below that, definitely see this zone 36,250. If it breaks 36,250, definitely it will break 36,000 and below levels in the coming time period, maybe tomorrow or in the coming days. It appears so on the daily charts. And on the upside, breaking 36,550, probably we might see 36,600 and 36,700 levels again on US30. Now let's have a look at the indicators. indicators on the daily charts, you'll see that it has got its support at 36,000 and 36,200, and then close to 36,250 levels. So this zone is of importance to us. Breaking this, it might directly land towards 700 levels to 800 levels, and below that it will cross over this 100-day period, which is a strong indicator that markets are bearish. If it drops below 35,400, I'll be sure that it is going to act bearish in the coming time period, whether it is monthly or weekly. It might remain bearish below 35,400 levels, but whether it will reach or not, we are going to look. It has to break this zone first at 36,000, then 35,700, then yes, it will land directly towards downside. The DPO is comfortably green, the RSI, the stochastic is comfortable. The MACD lines are trying to converge here. Any crossover will give it a very strong downward move probably. Now let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, the resistance available there at around 36,600, very strong resistance there. Probably it might or it may not cross. Also look at this, double top has been formed trying to break, and hence any break below 36,440 will give it a good break towards 36,300, rather 36,280 levels, and then below that 36,250. If 36,250 is taken today, definitely a strong drop will be seen on US30. But look at the stochastic on a 4-hour charts is oversold, crossover has happened, trying to act bullish. Hence any rise beyond 36,550 levels, probably we might see it going towards 36,600, 36,700 levels once again. See, there is a 4-hour crossover, MACD lines have crossed over but are running parallel, and hence they can converge with a couple of green candles. They may converge and we can see a probable rise also, as the daily charts have seen a good drop and trying to cross over. 3-hour charts oversold and may rise. 2-hour charts are overbought and hourly charts are also overbought. So different time frames we are getting different indicators, but let's go with the levels. Let's not look what different charts are saying. So today I will recommend you to go short at 36,433. At this level you can go short. You can expect 36 to rather first support at 36,360, then 36,280, 36,250. After that, if it breaks 36,250, we may see a good drop. We may see it 36,150, 36,100, and then 36,000 and below levels. Below that is the limit, but yes, it can head towards 35,700 and 800 zone once again. So take your positions accordingly, but at the same time we must not forget that there is an opportunity to go long at 36,550. Once it breaks 36,550, you can take a long for 36,600, 36,660, 36,700. Now see again, then 36,630, rather here I am missing out of one more point, 36,630. This previous support level now will become a resistance for this, and probably this zone 36,630 and 36,600 and 630, and then 6,700 may provide a very strong resistance for any upward move. But this can be seen, if it breaks past 36,500, it can move up also. Don't trade with bias, trade with the levels. If you trade with a bias that markets are bearish, it is definitely going to drop. You are not going to make money. If you are trading with a bias that it is going to rise, you will not make money. So trade with the levels. As soon as you find a good entry, take your position and move on. So this is my recommendation for the day, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to press the bell icon. See you exactly after 12 hours with my futures market update for all the global markets including US, Europe, India and gold and silver. So do watch that video also. It will give you a fair bit of idea about the daily market happenings. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you